Workbook, Gaga.
Yeah,
Do
workbook
it.
time.
And I can still help!
I need a pencil.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, we can do it.
Hello everybody, these are pages 72 and 73 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. These are the last two pages and they are about reviewing units 7 and 8. So first we can just read and match. Number 1, he's going to go horseback riding. And that is this picture right here. He's getting on the horse. Number 2, he's going to go shopping. And that's this picture. He's carrying bags in the mall. Number 3, he's going to play softball. That's his picture. He has a bat and a mitt. Number 4, she's going to see a play. And that's this picture. She's sitting in the theater. Part A is done. This is part B. It says write the questions and answers. Everybody here is not feeling good, and in your books the question pattern was. All right, let's try it. What's the matter? I have a headache. My head hurts. Headache. Next, same question. What's the matter? Make my W all the way. I have, he's holding his ear, so it's an earache. An earache. Okay, number 3, again, the same question. What's the matter? And she is coughing? I don't know if she's coughing or holding her tooth. I'm gonna go with coughing maybe, because she's closing. We'll go with tooth, why not? Say, I have a toothache. I have a toothache. If you wanna put I have a cough, that's okay too. Even you can say I have a cold. It's hard to tell from this picture. All right, part B's done. This is part C. It says write the answers. So they already have the question for us, and the question and answer pattern actually look like this. All right, let's put in some answers. Where's she going to go? I see some presents and cool t-shirts and other little knickknacks and stuff in here. So I think this is a gift shop. So we'll say she is or she's, then the future tense, going to, then the action, go, and then where? To the gift shop. Period. Next one. Where are they going to go? All right, let's put they first. And they matches to are, so we'll put they are, short form, there. There, and then future tense, going to, action, go. They're going to go, and then the place. To, look at the scissors, look at the poles. That's the barber shop. Period. And part C is done. Okay, this is part D. It just says write. So we're going to try to remember part 4 of Chris and Cindy's treasure hunt, where they actually finished their treasure hunt and they got their cool treasure. And then we'll just fill in the blanks here. So if you can't remember it, then just go read your book quickly. It's on page 75 of your student book. And let's start. This was in part 3. They went to part 1, they got their the treasure hunt, the first clue. That led them to part 2, where they went to Egypt. And then in part 3, they went to Iguazu Falls. And so now this is part 4, and they've come back to America, and they're going to Carlsbad Caverns, which is one of the biggest cave systems in the world and a very cool place to visit. All right, let's start. Number 1, is so big, said Chris. I feel so small. All right, that could only be Carlsbad Caverns. So let's write that. Big C for both words because it's a name. Carlsbad Caverns. And cavern is another word for cave. There's a box, said Cindy. Let's look. Let's look scrapbook. Let's look adventures. Let's look camel. Let's look blank. Let's look inside. Let's look waterfall. Inside. Let's look inside. Great. It's a, said Cindy. It's a scrapbook. It's a adventures. It's a camel. It's a blank. It's a waterfall. It's a scrapbook. It's like a photo album filled with lots of cool stuff to help you keep your memories. All right, scrapbook is gone. Look, we're riding in Egypt, said Chris. We're riding adventures. We're riding a camel. We're riding a blank. We're riding a waterfall. Camel. Well, and we're standing in front of at Iguazu Falls, said Cindy. We're standing in front of adventures. We're standing in front of a blank. We're standing in front of a waterfall. Waterfall is right. Why are there pages in the scrapbook? Asked Chris. Why are there adventures pages? Why are there blank pages? Blank. Pages with nothing on them. Because we're going to have more, said Aunt Angie. We're going to have more adventures. U-R-E-S. Okay, part D is all done. Yeah, this is the last part of Let's Go 4. Part E. It just says read and check. Number 1, what happened? Nice tense. They found a camel in the box. They found a scrapbook in the box. They found a cat. Just joking. They found a scrapbook. Number 2, what are they going to do? Future tense. Travel around the world. See a waterfall. Well, they're going to travel around the world because it says we're going to have more adventures. And just like that, we are done. And Let's Go, bye-bye pencil. Let's Go 4 is done too. Great job, everybody. Bye-bye.